Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix bad quality uploads on Instagram. So if you wanna upload any kind of pictures and videos or reels, anything that is will be uploaded with the bad quality. So in this situation, how can you fix it? So today I'll tell you how can you fix the problem. So for this, go for your profile first and go for three line option here, settings and privacy. Scroll down here again and go for here data users and media quality. And now you can see first of all it has a data server option. You have to turn it on. Go for Wi-Fi here, Wi-Fi only. You have to turn it on cellular and Wi-Fi. Go back again, just turn it off. Now you have to must turn on upload at highest quality. With this option, your every post or every uploads will be in the highest quality. So that's it. This is how you can fix your bad quality uploads on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.